Syrup is 10x more powerful than penicillin and treats many diseases including cancer. You should definitely try this homemade garlic syrup. It's super healthy all-natural syrup which can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. This garlic syrup is very simple and easy to make, and it's made by easy available ingredients, which are inexpensive and extremely beneficial for your entire body. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make, and you will need the following ingredients: apple cider vinegar, garlic and organic honey. All three ingredients have powerful health benefits, and if you mix them you will supercharge their beneficiary effects. Here's why you should drink this garlic syrup. This super healthy homemade garlic syrup will boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure levels and reduce the levels of the LDL bad cholesterol. We can also say that this garlic syrup will reduce the number of colds and infections, and it's also very useful against arthritis, gout and joint pain. Homemade garlic syrup recipe. Ingredients: 8 peeled and lightly mashed cloves of garlic, 1 200 Cuban pesos milliliter of apple cider vinegar, 1 200 Cuban pesos ml of honey. Directions. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to blend the garlic so it becomes fine. Or you can use crushed garlic. Then you need to add the honey and the apple cider vinegar and blend for another 15 seconds at high speed. Now you need to pour this mixture into a glass jar. Store it in your refrigerator for 5 days. Note: make sure you mix the mixture every day. And after 5 days your garlic syrup should be ready. How to use it? Here's how to use this super healthy garlic syrup. Add 2 teaspoons of this garlic syrup in a glass of water and drink it in the morning on empty stomach immediately after you wake up. You should know that this syrup is extremely powerful and you shouldn't consume it directly. Always mix it in a glass of water. About the ingredients. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic will help you boost your immune system, and its allicin content makes garlic one of the most powerful natural antibiotics on the planet. You should consume garlic every day because it's loaded with healthy nutrients and its provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. Honey. This healthy ingredient has powerful antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. This super healthy ingredient is often used by many people in the world to alleviate chronic cough. Apple cider vinegar. It's loaded with many different phytonutrients which are very useful and beneficial in preventing cancer and leg cramps. This powerful ingredient also contains high amounts of citric acid which can help you melt kidney stones. Well, the best thing about this super healthy garlic syrup is that you don't have to wait until you are sick to drink it. You can drink it even if you aren't sick. This homemade garlic syrup is a great way to prevent cold and flu and to maintain optimal health. This garlic syrup is very simple and easy to make, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet, so nothing is stopping you from making it. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
Garlic kills 14 kinds of cancer and 13 types of infection. Why don't doctors prescribe it? We all know that garlic is an extremely effective and healthy vegetable, which can provide many health benefits. In the list below, we are going to show you only a small part of the diseases which garlic can kill and prevent. This is all cause of garlic's powerful antifungal and anti-cancer properties. Cytomegalovirus infections, Helicobacter pylori infection, Candida yeast infection, thrush, mycotoxin-associated aflatoxicosis, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus MRSA, viral infections, herpes simplex 1 and 2, parainfluenza virus type 3, vaccinia virus, vesicular stomatitis virus and human rhinovirus type 2, group B streptococcus infection, Klebsiella infection, HIV-1 infection, Vibrio infection, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Clostridium infection. Garlic is an amazing and extremely healthy vegetable, and it has been used by many people in the world to treat and cure cancer throughout the ages. The great philosopher Hippocrates recommended that we should all use large amounts of crushed garlic as a cure for cancer. If you by any chance decide to treat your cancer condition using this amazing and extremely healthy vegetable, you should consume at least 7 to 8 cloves of garlic per day. Remember, you need to crush it before you eat it. Usually, there are about 10 to 12 cloves per the whole pot of garlic. You should also remember that it is extremely important to leave them crushed for at least 15 minutes. You should let them sit for that amount of time because in that time, the garlic releases an enzyme, alinus, which produces these antifungal and anti-cancer properties. Many people in the world usually eat the garlic raw, but some people like it when it's cooked. I usually eat it raw, I like it that way. There are many different ways you can add garlic to your healthy diet. You can add it to your favorite sandwiches, your favorite meals or salads. And you should avoid using garlic supplements, because, according to the medical experts, they don't produce the same anti-cancer and antifungal results. It also permeates the research literature. A known biomedical database, Medline, which is provided by the NLM National Library of Medicine, has more than 4,245 study abstracts on garlic. During our research, we've looked through all the data given there, and we found that garlic is extremely important ingredient in preventing and treating more than 150 health conditions. And we are talking about health conditions ranging from cancer to diabetes, infection to plaque buildup in the arteries, DNA damage to mercury poisoning. Another interesting thing we found, while we were doing our research, is that on the Green Med info blog was also stated that garlic has health benefits and it is extremely useful ingredient in almost 167 health conditions or disease symptoms. But, it was obvious that the greatest density of research indicates garlic's role in preventing and treating cardiovascular disease and cancer. And we all know that these two diseases are the primary causes of death within high-income countries. The natural tools, specially designed for fighting many diseases, like garlic, have been life-saving and people in ancient times measured their worth in gold. These natural remedies are inexpensive, time-tested, safe and delicious. People today are getting more and more aware of its power and starting to avoid doctors, because it looks like they will always prescribe drugs as part of our treatments. And, at the end, it's all up to you people. It's your choice, because you are responsible for your own health. You can accept this and use the nature's ingredients and vegetables to improve and protect your health in general. If you enjoyed this post, make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.